General Finishes Exterior 450 Clear and White are flexible, single-component polyurethane acrylic finishes designed to adapt to exterior conditions, making them suitable for DIY, professional, and OEM use. We have a trio of exterior products, which includes 450 stain. Both white and clear are tintable with zero VOC colorants, 10% by weight or volume to standard color decks. General Finishes recommends ColourFal Zero. This white oak door is 450 white satin over Enduro white undercoat, and here's white satin tinted to Sherwin-Williams light gray. 450 clear can be used as a standalone finish over raw or stained wood. This is clear flat, and here exterior 450 mesquite stain, sealed and flat. Recommended uses include vertical surfaces, such as outdoor kitchens, entry doors, garage doors, and windows. Our exterior 450 top coats will work fine on exterior tables, if kept dry. Standing water will always degrade a surface if not wiped up in a timely fashion. It is not intended for decks. Results and features you can expect include mildicides to inhibit mold and mildew growth, UV absorbers to protect the film integrity. This will not prevent the wood from changing color from sunlight, and high water resistance. The medium viscosity profile provides faster film build and improved vertical sag resistance when spraying. 450 white is self-sealing and does not require a top coat. It has superior adhesion over multiple substrates, such as PVC, exterior MDF, composite material, and fiberglass. This fiberglass door panel is finished in lamp black milk paint, then sealed with 450 clear satin. Here are two fiberglass exterior doors, with our exterior 450 applied, with a grain pattern. Who would believe these aren't real wood? The exterior 450 clear and white are VOC compliant, water cleanup, low odor, and non-flammable. Exterior 450 clear can be used as a toner by mixing by volume with 5 to 10% of our exterior 450 stains. Both top coats are available in quarts, gallons, and 5-gallon pails, in sheens of flat, satin, and semi-gloss. 450 clear is also available in gloss. Apply with brush, roller, or spray with HVLP, air-assisted airless, or airless sprayer. Dry times based on ideal conditions of 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 50% humidity are: to touch, 5 to 10 minutes, to sand, 30 to 45 minutes, and to recoat, 2+ hours. Dry times will vary by substrate, mill thickness, applicator, and technique. For best results, use our system of compatible exterior rated finishes, including exterior 450 stain, milk paint, and our Enduro primers, stain blocker, white undercoat, and deep base undercoat. We advise against using exterior 450 clear top coat or any clear coat over bright whites, as it may cause yellowing. Lighter colored paints may alter slightly with the top coat application, but the color shift is less noticeable. When you want an easy-to-use, high-performance outdoor coating, choose exterior 450 clear or white. General Finishes is America's leading manufacturer of innovative water-based finishes, dedicated to testing and advancing Enduro coatings with the highest quality ingredients and leading-edge water-based technology. Learn more about GF's exterior products at generalfinishes.com/compare. General Finishes, we make tomorrow's finishes today.